In dreams, we enter a world that is entirely our own. Sleep takes 1/3 of our lifetime, so why not try to give the best for our sleep? Wouldn't it be cool to fly over the world or meet the partner of your dreams? So here are 4 tips to get a lucid dream. The MILD technique. MILD stands for mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. It is one of the most effective methods for inducing lucid dreams. The goal of MILD is to train your brain to recognize when you're dreaming, and it involves using mental cues before sleep to increase the likelihood of becoming lucid during a dream. Here's a breakdown of how the MILD technique works. 1. Dream. Recall. After waking up from a dream, especially if you wake up during the night, try to remember as many details as possible. This improves your dream recall, which is crucial for lucidity. We will be important in another step later, so hang on. 2. Set the intention. As you fall back asleep, mentally repeat a phrase like, "The next time I'm dreaming, I will realize I'm dreaming." The repetition helps solidify the intention to become lucid in the dream. 3. Visualize the dream. Recall the dream you just had and visualize yourself becoming lucid within it. Picture yourself recognizing that you're dreaming and consciously taking control of the dream scenario. 4. Fall asleep. After repeating the phrase and visualizing, let yourself drift back into sleep with the intention that you will realize you're dreaming. This combination of focused intent and visualization helps your subconscious mind trigger lucidity in your dreams. MILD works particularly well when used alongside the wake back to bed (WBTB) technique, where you wake up briefly after 5 to 6 hours of sleep and then go back to sleep using MILD. The wake back to bed (WBTB) technique is a popular method for inducing lucid dreams, especially when combined with other methods like MILD. WBTB takes advantage of the natural sleep cycle, particularly the REM phase, where dreams are most vivid and frequent. Here's how the WBTB technique works. 1. Sleep for 5 to 6 hours. Go to bed as usual and sleep for about 5 to 6 hours. This ensures that you reach the deeper sleep stages, and as you near the early morning, you'll enter REM sleep more frequently. 2. Wake up briefly. Set an alarm to wake yourself up after 5 to 6 hours. Stay awake for about 20 to 30 minutes, but avoid bright lights or activities that could fully wake you up. Use this time to focus on lucid dreaming by reading about it or practicing a technique like MILD. This will prime your mind to recognize that you are dreaming when you fall back asleep. 3. Go back to sleep. After 20 to 30 minutes, return to bed with the intention of becoming lucid in your next dream. Since you're entering REM sleep soon after, your mind is more likely to become aware during a dream, increasing the chances of achieving lucidity. The WBTB method works because it manipulates your sleep cycle to time your return to sleep during periods of increased dreaming. Combining it with MILD further enhances your chances by reinforcing your intention to become lucid. This technique requires some adjustment, as waking up in the middle of the night can be disruptive, but with practice, it can significantly increase the frequency of lucid dreams. Dream recall is an essential practice for anyone wanting to improve their ability to remember and eventually control their dreams. Lucid dreaming techniques often hinge on this ability, as remembering dreams helps in identifying patterns and becoming aware during the dream state. Several methods can aid in better dream recall, including performing reality checks such as checking the time, breathing through a closed nose, and observing hand shapes. 1. Checking an alarm clock or digital watch. In dreams, digital clocks often display strange or inconsistent times. One technique to improve dream recall and increase awareness during dreams is to regularly check a digital clock or watch during waking hours. In a dream, the time on a clock might change erratically or not make sense when you look away and look back. By making this a habit during the day, you train your brain to check the time in dreams, which can help you realize that you're dreaming. This recognition is not only crucial for inducing lucid dreams, but also helps in remembering specific dream details. 2. Breathing through a closed nose. Another powerful reality check involves trying to breathe while holding your nose closed. In waking life, this is impossible, but in a dream, you you may still be able to breathe, even with your nose pinched shut. This bizarre experience can instantly trigger awareness that you are in a dream. Incorporating this reality check into your daily routine reinforces your ability to detect when you are dreaming, which in turn aids in remembering your dreams more vividly. Third, oddly shaped hands. In many dreams, small details like the shape of your hands may appear distorted. You might notice extra fingers or that your hands look blurry. Regularly inspecting your hands during the day becomes another reality check that trains your brain to do the same in your dreams. When you realize that your hands look strange, you become more aware that you're in a dream, which boosts your chances of recalling the experience afterward. Conclusion: by integrating reality checks like checking a digital clock, attempting to breathe through a closed nose, and examining your hands into your waking life, you strengthen your ability to recognize the dream state. This practice not only leads to lucid dreams, but also sharpens your dream recall, enabling you to remember more details and make the most of your dreams. Establishing a solid sleeping routine is crucial for increasing the chances of having lucid dreams. A structured bedtime routine primes your mind for lucidity, allowing you to better recognize when you're dreaming. Here are 2 key practices that can help support lucid dreaming: meditation and listening to binaural beats. 1. Meditate before bed. Meditation is a powerful tool for lucid dreamers because it helps calm the mind and increases mindfulness, which is essential for becoming aware in your dreams. By meditating before bed, you train your brain to be more conscious of your thoughts and surroundings, both in waking life and in dreams. Focused breathing and mindfulness techniques can improve dream recall and heighten the likelihood of becoming lucid. A short meditation session, 10 to 15 minutes, before sleep can clear mental clutter, making your dreams more vivid and your mind more alert to the possibility of lucidity during REM sleep. 2. Listen to binaural beats. Binaural beats are auditory illusions created when 2 slightly different sound frequencies are played in each ear, stimulating specific brainwave states. By listening to binaural beats designed for relaxation or lucid dreaming, such as those in the theta or delta frequency ranges, you can enhance the quality of your sleep and increase dream vividness. Many lucid dreamers use binaural beats to prepare their minds for dream awareness by gently guiding their brain into the REM sleep state, where dreams are most vivid. You can easily incorporate binaural beats into your nightly routine by using headphones for about 20 to 30 minutes as you relax before bed or as you drift off to sleep. Combining meditation and binaural beats into your pre-sleep routine can dramatically improve your chances of experiencing lucid dreams. Meditation promotes mindfulness and mental clarity, while binaural beats can help your brain enter the right state for vivid dreaming. Together, these practices create a balanced, relaxed mindset conducive to lucid dreaming. A dream notebook is a powerful tool for enhancing dream recall and developing the skill of lucid dreaming. By consistently recording your dreams, you build awareness of your dream patterns, emotions, and recurring themes. To maximize the effectiveness of your dream journal, it's important to include certain key elements like the date, details, mood, and influences. Using a dream notebook to document the date, details, mood, and influences of your dreams not only enhances your ability to remember dreams, but also helps you become more attuned to your dream world. This habit is key to improving both dream recall and the potential for lucid dreaming. The more consistently and thoroughly you record your dreams, the deeper your understanding of your dream life will become. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what your experiences are with lucid dreaming and if this video helped you. Goodbye.